Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what purpose do the side holes on AirPods Pro 2 serve. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their AirPods Pro 2. What are these side holes for? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the purpose of these two side holes is just one of the neat features that Apple has given to the AirPods Pro 2 so that you don't lose your AirPod Pros. Now what it does is that it's basically an inlet for a wrist strap that looks like this, or basically any dongle feature that looks like this. So the way it'll work is that you'll actually loop this really thin thread through these holes, and then you'll grab it, and then once it's looped, you'll loop it again just like this, so that your AirPod Pros 2 now have a nice feature or wrist strap attached to its case. So this is what it looks like, and I'll leave a link down below in the description to this wrist strap that you see right over here. But with this wrist strap, you can put it around your wrists, you can add it to your backpack, you could attach it to your keys. This just makes it really easy to actually go ahead and make sure you don't lose your AirPods Pro 2. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what the purpose is of the side holes on your AirPods Pro 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually demonstrate this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.